Hello everyone. In this today's video we are going to build website which is codeforplacement.pythonanywhere.com. So if we are going to refresh it, it is giving different emoji every time we are going to refresh. So to build this website we came on ChatGPT console and we started a new chat. In this chat console we are just going to write a code for Python flash server and route when user make request, select random images from static folder. So every time if I'm going to refresh this website, the new image is coming from static folder, and for that ChatGPT has given two files. One is Python, another is HTML. So here I'm going to create some directories. In this I'm going to create one folder as a static, another is template, and I'm going to create one Python file which is app.py. In static I am going to keep images, and in template we are going to keep HTML. So I'm going to download the images in Pixabay. Once we'll download list of images we can down. This is a open source or no copyright images are available here. So whatever the images we have downloaded, we are going to copy and paste entire images inside the static folder. So once the images are copied in static folder, we will be coming back to our first file, which is app.py, app.python file. So the Python code, whatever is being given from ChatGPT, we are going to paste it inside the app.py. Then we'll get code for HTML file. Now we'll get HTML file, and we are going to copy this HTML file and paste it inside index.html. Same way we are going to run this program. Now we get the locally website up, and every time I'm refreshing I'm getting a different emoji. Now we are going to host this website in PythonAnyWhere.com. I'm going to create a account, and this is my dashboard. In dashboard I'm going to click on open web app tab. So by clicking open web tab, I'm going to create a new web tab. Inside that we are going to choose Python and Flash. In down, if you scroll, you can see go to directory. Here again we are going to create the same directory which we have created in Visual Studio. In Python file we are going to paste first Python code which is available in our local Visual Studio. Then we are going to create one more folder which is template. Okay, inside this template folder we are creating index.html. So once we'll copy the index.html content and we'll paste it inside this index.html. Then we'll create a static folder and paste all the images. Then we'll load this page, and here our website is ready, up and running. Thank you so much guys. If you like, subscribe this video. Thank you so much.